Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change browser to Google Chrome on iPhone. To make Google Chrome your default browser on an iPhone, you'll need to follow a few steps to replace Safari as the automatic choice for opening links. First, ensure you have Google Chrome installed on your device. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. The Settings app contains various system options for your device, including the ability to set default apps like your web browser. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the list of installed apps. Look for Chrome in the list, as this way you'll adjust the default browser settings. Tap on Chrome to access its specific settings. Within the Chrome settings page, find and tap on Default Browser app. You'll see a list of available browsers installed on your iPhone, including Safari and any others you may have downloaded. Now, choose Chrome from the list. This action will make Chrome the default browser on your device. After choosing Chrome, the change is applied immediately, but you can go back to Settings, Chrome, Default Browser, then choose again the Google Chrome app to confirm it has been set correctly. Once you've confirmed, exit the Settings app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.